The Bank of Ghana Governor Dr. Johnson Asiama says he remains committed to pushing lending rates down to 10% before the end of his tenure, a target he believes is essential for unlocking stronger private sector growth. Addressing journalists after the latest Monetary Policy Committee meeting, he admitted that though the cost of borrowing remains high, the data shows undeniable progress. Here is more. Fresh figures from the Bank of Ghana's November 2025 Summary of Economic and Financial Data reveal that the average lending rate declined to 22.2% in October 2025, down from 30.07% in January, a fall of more than 7 percentage points in under 10 months. Addressing the press after the bank's latest MPC meeting, Dr. Johnson Asiama said lending rates still vary widely across banks, stressing that lowering credit costs further is vital for sustaining Ghana's economic recovery.
I am on record to have said that by the end of my tenure, I would want to see lending rates at 10%. I've said it, I still stand by it. We are doing everything we can to make sure we achieve that by the end of our tenure. So average lending rates at 21% may not be the best. It may not be exactly what we intended by this time. But so far, if you look at the data, it shows that a lot of progress has been made. So rest assured, it is one of the things I particularly want to be assessed by the end of my tenure, to see lending rates as low as it can. That will support growth.
He added that recent policy rate cuts are already supporting credit growth, but urged banks to strengthen risk management to avoid past sector vulnerabilities.
Suggests that private sector credit growth is beginning to pick up. We expect that to go up. My only concern is that banks need to also work on their risk management frameworks. Otherwise, the problems that we had in the banking sector recently that led to the sector cleanup, etc., could re-emerge when there's a credit expansion, which we don't want. So we've been cautioning banks, even as you rebuild your credit portfolios, look at your risk management system, make sure that you dot the I's, you cross the T's. That's the only way we can sustain the growth in private sector credit.